Hello everyone. Even if you have a premium account, you may find that the quality is poor when watching Netflix on Apple Vision Pro. This is because when you start playing the video, it initially displays in Full HD instead of 4K quality. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. If you connect your keyboard or MacBook to Apple Vision Pro, you can access the debug menu by pressing Ctrl Shift Option D. There, you will find the resolution is set to Full HD. However, by pressing the back button on the keyboard a few times to reload, you will soon see the resolution upgrade to 4K. For those without a keyboard, achieving the same result is as simple as pressing the rewind button on the screen. If you found this tip helpful and you are eager for more interesting content, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos and let us know in the comments what you would like to see next. See you in the next video.